Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the McLaren F1 car from 2023, driven by Lando Norris. These models are made by Bburago at a 1/43 scale, and they are from the British Grand Prix, in which Lando finished P2. Here Bburago released two variants. We have the simple variant, which comes in this cardboard box. And has no pilot figure inside, and also we have the signature version, which comes in this plexiglass and this cardboard on top. The only difference between these two is the fact that we have the pilot inside, but we'll check it later. Let's start with the simple version. Here in the front, everything looks pretty good. We have a lot of sponsors. We have the Lando's number. The front wing looks pretty good. Next, we have the wheels, which look pretty good. We have the Google Chrome logo there on the center. As I mentioned, this doesn't have the pilot inside. In the back, we have the wing with another sponsor, and also we have this huge diffuser. And underneath the model, we have some details on the floor. Let's take a closer look on the signature version as well. I didn't see any differences between this and the simple version regarding the details of the model. Most of them are the same. Both of them have carbon fiber texture in this area as well. But as I mentioned, the difference is the pilot, as you can see, which looks pretty good, but the price difference is about 50%, so quite big, or almost 100%. I'm not sure, but quite big. Again, the floor looks pretty good. Please tell me in the comments, are you a fan of Lando, and what do you think about these models? We'll review some other Formula 1 cars soon from Bburago. Also, they will release some 1/24 scale models this year. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.